Everybody loves somebody. Tell me I'm the one that you love. And everybody needs somebody. Tell me I'm the one that you love. Please don't make me wonder. Oh, I need you to be vulnerable. And everybody loves somebody. Tell me I'm the one that you love.
Good morning! Say morning to my vlog!
Hello, morning! Hello! Ma'am Jenny? Dinapay siya. Assistant, ano lang? Chef. Sous chef. Can I eat now? Sige lang. Habang mainit pa. Yan, sobrang init yan ay nasa pinakaan. Yung mga nasa gilid. Pwede ka mag-toast eh.
Sige.
Good morning! Today is our day 2 here in Bali, and now we are headed to the monkey forest. Hey guys! And still I haven't done a room tour. Yeah. We're gonna do it on our last day tomorrow because I don't wanna. Anyway, it's my brother Mag and Kuya Camera. See you guys later.
Not touch.
Oh, we don't touch, but it's okay for them.
Yeah. Sometimes the monkeys they come close on you and then they climb up on your body. You are relaxed, don't be panic. And then take photo, no problem.
Do they bite?
You touch, yeah. As long as you are not touched, they not bite because they come on you. Just put the nut.
Okay.
Thank you. Have a nice day, yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Alright, so we are now here inside the monkey forest. It's 75,000 rupiah for the ticket, and then that's inclusive of water and some peanuts for the monkeys. It's okay to feed them, but you can't touch them because they might bite you. They might bite you. But yes, so we're now headed to the forest. May mga sneaky.
Pagulatin yung monkey.
Hindi siya nagulat eh. Hi, monkey!
No, I'm scared. I'm scared.
Wait, ang ganda here though. Now we're headed to Lucky Lucky Waterfall. And then we're gonna eat lunch at the coffee. It's called the coffee. Up to you. I'm excited.
My hands are shaking, stifle my breath. You look so lovely, it scares me to death.
That's like what they
I used to get so insecure with you, it's different. Got just something about you makes me so sure. Don't know what it is, but you make me wanna stay. Take a leap of faith. I know that you're safe, I know that you're safe.
Okay, we made it here in Lucky Lucky. Now we're on our way to go walk to Lucky Lucky Waterfall. They said it's gonna be a 10 to 15 minutes walk, so not that far. I have a mosquito bite on my
You'll be
hand,
my
so.
parachute, baby, know you'll catch me whenever I fall. sunside got me tripping right into your arms. Your arms. Headed straight down through the night clouds. So is my heart pounds 10,000 feet between my parachute. Baby, know you'll catch me whenever I fall. I know you got me.
Buka yung speaker na.
Sarap itulog. Alright, this is it. We're here at the coffee. It's this really cute restaurant. Not restaurant, cute house. Over there. And they're gonna be cooking lunch for us. They're making soup.
Basid, baka may
It smells
spicy.
good.
Baka may spicy na.
Sabi ni Kuya, I'll just put the spice on the side.
Get one and pass na lang tayo.
What about Kuya? We have soups. Okay, we're at a local house eating lunch. They're cooking lunch for us and I can't wait for it. I'm excited. Here's our coffee. The time is currently 7:05 p.m. and we just got back here at our Airbnb, and then I highly recommend this Airbnb. We have the best property manager. He lives really close to this place, just like 30 seconds walk, and he is so accommodating. They have massage, they have laundry services, like everything you could ask for. And he's always just one text away, so I love that. So we're gonna get some massage tonight. I'm gonna shower and get ready for a massage, and then we're gonna be drinking wine tonight. I'm so excited for that. So I'll see you guys later. Here it's April 11. It's April 11 and we are going to be doing cooking class. We're gonna do cooking class, but first we're gonna stop by local market to do something, and then we're gonna go straight to the cooking class. Right, kid? You're excited, kid?
Tulog pa siya. Tulog pa siya. Tulog pa siya.
Ikaw, babe, you excited? Oh, nonchalant.
Sana all.
My hands are shaking, stifle my breath. You look so lovely, it scares me to death. I used to get so insecure with you, it's different. Yeah, just something about you makes me so sure. Don't know what it is, but you make me wanna stay. Take a leap of faith. I know.
Yeah, it's okay. We're ready to go.
Ready?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Just give me.
Thank you.
Take your time.
So, we're gonna take photos. Hey guys, picture kaya tayo doon.
But in the Philippines, not do like this.
Yeah, we
No. So, every day, how many?
One
Per person or per family?
for family.
Ah,
If we stay
okay.
together with 10 people in one family, one people.
One house, one offering.
And then but we try to have praying together one day. Maybe we just want praying is okay. The feeling.
Okay, so it's Hindu.
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 Hindu Bali.
That's like majority of the religion here, Hindu. Most people here Hindu.
In Bali, yes. In Indonesia, Muslim.
Ah, okay.
We are Muslim country.
Yeah.
But in Bali, 90%
Is
zero.
Yeah, souvenirs, the bracelets,
And then nomad.
and the nomads.
May nomad restaurant.
So we're now here at Paon Bali cooking class. This is another.
I'm driver.
He's our amazing driver.
Salamat.
And then this is the cooking class. Very nice. Oh, and they have welcome drinks. Amazing. Sipping.
Enjoying the welcome drinks.
What is it?
Ano to?
Iced tea. Lemon? Lime?
Na-confuse.
Wow, ang cute ng family nila. Yes, the big one. Tsaka ang bait ni Kuya, no? Kahit owner siya, ang bait-bait niya. Okay, working. Work mo. Work cooking. Mo nakit? Ako ah.
I'm Puspa. I'm to be your friend in the kitchen later. Before we go to the kitchen, this is our home, honey. Balinese compass, north, south, west, east. North east, my family temple.
Oh.
Why family temple and the northeast? We believe the mountain there, the high place there.
Oh.
Not building. That's building special for who's the older on the family.
Oh.
Now I'm the older. That's my room.
Oh.
Yeah. And then this building for human being ceremony. If we have wedding, this is the wedding chapel.
Oh
If we
wow.
have birthday, we do birthday party here.
Wow, everything here, huh?
An event room.
Yeah. And
My hands are shaking.
Can you put 1 teaspoon sausage or your sauce? And 1 teaspoon sweet.
You look so lovely, it scares me to death. I used to get so insecure with you, it's different. Yeah, just something about you makes me so sure. Don't know what it is, but you make me wanna stay. Take a leap of faith. I know that you're safe. You'll be my parachute, baby. Know you'll catch me whenever I fall.
Small?
So far, are you guys enjoying?
inside of the plate, vegetable, coconut yellow sauce. Squeeze your delight, squeeze. Only like that. Not much. Yes.
Ikaw, Beb. This is the salad.
Bali salad.
Okay, so now we're making the salad. Our satay, chicken satay, is already ready over there, waiting for it to be grilled. It's okay, I can go.
Okay.
One more.
Now lift your satay. Any questions? If not, everybody family come sit.
Okay, now it's lunchtime. Huh? Ako din eh. Babalik ako dun. Lunchtime. So we have our food here. Oh my god, it's so good. This is our dessert. Inside, we're in Ubud Central Market, and there's like back-to-back stores, and now we're inside this really cute stores. They have compasses, they have like some of this like skulls, and then all really cute stuff for souvenirs. So I think it's really cute. Buy nyo na, go!
Ikaw yung assistant leader.
Ako assistant leader.
Is this the smallest or there's other small? You just don't have it available?
It's the smallest. The smallest standard size.
Sakto sana sa kabila, kaso lang hindi yun exactly the same. Ito yung smallest?
Ano din lang sa ito?
Oh, shit. Ang ganda sana. Ang ganda talaga. Go na, buy nyo na.
Gusto namin same sa'yo.
Oo. Okay, so we got our bracelet. We got our rings. Okay. So we don't forget, what is this one called in Bali? Ombak. I mean in Bali. Called Ombak. Ombak. I researched. It's so cute. We got it for 295 Balinese. Ay, rupiah. Okay, bago. Yung bayad mo tao. 225. Okay, we got this for 295 rupiah. And it's like the nicest quality bracelet. I mean, why do I keep saying bracelet? It's the nicest quality.
Because you want a bracelet.
Yeah, I want a bracelet. Nicest quality. It's silver. It doesn't tarnish. You can use it swimming and all that.
Even though you'll catch me whenever I fall. It's like my laces untied, got me tripping right into your arms.